Welcome back to our channel. In today's video, we'll be discussing how to archive multiple posts in Instagram. If you want to clean up your profile and organize your content, this is the full guide for you. Let's dive in. Step 1. Open the Instagram app on your Android device. Step 2. Tap your profile picture in the bottom right to go to your profile. Step 3. Tap the 3 lines at the top to access the menu. Step 4. Select your activity from the menu options. Step 5. Tap on Photos and Videos. Step 6. Choose the Posts option. Step 7. Tap Select in the top right corner. Step 8. Select the posts you'd like to archive by tapping on them. Step 9. To filter your posts before archiving, tap Sort and Filter at the top. Choose your filter preferences and tap Apply. Step 10. Once you've chosen the posts to archive, tap Archive at the bottom. Step 11. Confirm the archive action by tapping Archive. By following these simple steps, you can easily archive multiple posts on Instagram. Keep your profile organized and decluttered with this helpful feature. If you found this guide useful, don't forget to give this video a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel for more helpful tutorials. Thanks for watching.